Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to place the lock carrier on a motorcycle. As you can see, it is very easy to install it. The only thing to do is loosen the rear shock nut, then place the padlock holder in its place, and finally tighten the shock absorber nut again to the torque required by the manufacturer. The tightening torque for the rear shock absorber can be found in the motorcycle's service manual. Once the accessory is placed, they must adjust and fix its position, in such a way that the lock can be put on and taken off freely without hitting or scratching the other parts of the motorcycle. That's all folks. If this video helped you, give me a like and subscribe to this channel, to receive notifications of more content like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.